In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forecast your Google Ads ROI, which is crucial for maximizing the return on your advertising investment. We'll be going step by step to set up a performance plan using Google Ads. This tutorial is designed to be concise yet comprehensive, so let's dive right in. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is the central hub where all your Google advertising magic happens. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. You'll need to log in using your Google account details, which can be created if you don't have one yet. This step ensures that you can access and manage your existing campaigns as well as create new plans. After a successful login, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Here, you'll get an overview of your advertisements, performance metrics, and more. The next step is to find and click on the Tools option, which you'll find in the upper navigation bar. This section presents you with a variety of tools designed to optimize your Google Ads experience. With tools open, focus your attention on planning within the drop-down menu. The tools under planning are essential resources for predicting how changes in your campaigns might affect outcomes. With that said, click on Planning to proceed. Nestled within the planning tools is the Performance Planner, an invaluable feature for anticipating your ROI. Performance Planner helps you to explore various ad forecasts, adjust your monthly budgets, and track key metrics such as conversions. Go ahead and click on Performance Planner to open it. Now that we're in Performance Planner, look for a blue plus icon, or commonly referred to as the plus icon. This represents the action to add a new plan, which is exactly what we're going to do. By clicking on this icon, you're preparing to create a new forecast for your upcoming or existing campaigns. The next step will ask you to create a plan. This involves selecting which of your existing campaigns you want to include in the current plan. A good tip here is to include campaigns with similar goals and budgets, as this will provide more accurate forecasts. Select Create a Plan, and you'll be taken through a series of setups such as choosing target metrics and dates. Following these steps allows you to harness the full potential of the Google Ads system. It provides you a roadmap for making data-driven decisions, optimizing your budget, and ultimately increasing the return on your advertising investment. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to forecast your Google Ads ROI using the built-in tools Google provides. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one.